In this video, I'm going to show you how you can come up with the equation for an ellipse. So I'm expecting you to know that the equation of a circle is given by this. So you start out with making the circle to have a radius of 1. So you put 1 into the r, so that would then become 1 squared, which will then be 1. So the equation of a circle of radius 1 is given by this. Now you know that f of x equals x squared looks like this, and then if you apply this transformation to x, that means you have to put this into the x, so that would be 2x squared. This transformation will squash the graph, so it would now look like this. And then if you make the coefficient to be less than 1, so for example f of, let's say, a third x, this x gets multiplied to the top, so it looks like this, and then you would put this into the x only, so it would look like this, x over 3 squared. So this transformation will make it flatter like this. So you can use the same idea for to transform the circle into an ellipse. So for example, if you're just similar to f of 1 over 3x, you would apply it to here, but this time make it 5 in the x direction. So what that means is make it as 1 over 5, the x gets multiplied to the top, so it will look like this. So put when you apply this transformation, you put the x over 5 into the x only here, so that would then become this, over 5 squared plus y squared equals 1. So now the circle of radius 1 will move, you will stretch it in the x direction by a factor of 5. So what that means is this, the graph will now look like this. So normally a circle of radius 1, so now it's at 5, negative 5. So now it will look like this, not to scale. Okay, so now we need to change it in the y direction. So in the y direction, 1 over 3, you want to apply this transformation in the y direction. So that would mean this, the y gets multiplied to the top, so it's going to be y over 3 into the y here, so it would then become x over 5 squared plus y over 3 all squared equals 1. So now it will stretch it up by a factor of 3. So this will be negative 3. So now it will look like this, not to scale. Okay, you would then tidy this up. So that would then become, well, that's like x over 5 times x over 5. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So that would then become x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. That will then give you the equation for this ellipse. So you can punch this into a graphical program. So go to Desmos, www.desmos.com. Desmos, let me rewrite this. So go to this website and punch it in. Desmos with an s.com. Okay, punch this equation in, and it will draw you a perfectly good ellipse. Okay.